Welcome to Lingua File, English Basic Reading, Grade 1, Week 21. My, ant, first, first, water, water, bad, bat, glad, mad, I ate my snack first. The bat flew to the first tree. I was glad to see the water well. The ant bit my cat. The ant was glad about the rain. I was mad that the water was bad. She was glad that he liked that bat. The bad food made the people mad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment.